All right, so I wanted to finish the short form video I did the other day. If you're relocating to Texas, especially the Dallas-Fort Worth area from out of the country, here's some things you need to make sure that you're on top of. Number one, if you have a temporary visa, say, and it's a work visa and it's about a year, may have some difficulties getting a loan, but I do have someone that can help you with that. Before you come, make sure that you and your lender, if you're getting a mortgage, have went through your credit report, which I don't know what all countries lenders can pull reports from, but our neighbors to the north, I know they can. Go through that with the fine-tooth comb. Make sure that you don't have any private loans out there that aren't disclosed on a credit report. And here's a big one. If you're providing bank statements to a lender and say you sell something, let's say, and you deposit that money and it's in a different account than the ones you provided for your funds for closing and escrows and all that, that may open up a whole new can of worms, especially if there's something in that bank statement that's not disclosed on your credit report, like say you're making loan payments on a car, something else. When you provide a lender documentation for all your assets, make sure that you consistently use the same ones, because in the States, that's very important. And typically you're going to get what's called a non-QM mortgage, a non-qualified mortgage, especially say that you don't have U.S. credit or U.S. income yet. If you're self-employed and moving here and you don't have a job here or a business here yet, that's extremely important. A non-QM loan gets scrutinized a lot more than our agency loans, which are Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which means you have to have a U.S. credit score, U.S. income. There are some loans called DSCR loans, but those are for non-owner occupied loans, so investment properties only. If someone's telling you that you can occupy a home and use a DSCR loan, this isn't legal advice. So you want to ask an attorney about that, but that's considered mortgage fraud. You need to run. It's very dangerous. Should something happen, you and the lender could go to prison. It's very serious. So you need to be cautious about that. Just make sure you have all your ducks in a row. Make sure you work with an agent that knows the area. Find one, like for instance, I'm helping some clients and they're going to buy a business. I connect them with an advisor to help them find a business. I can help you do that here. Have connections with inspectors. I have connections with insurance folks. Insurance here is going to probably be different than wherever you're coming from. Insurance in Dallas-Fort Worth is not inexpensive, nor property taxes. So don't be shocked wherever you're coming from. Don't know what taxes and insurance are like in other parts of the world. But I just wanted to go through all this and just say disclose, disclose, disclose. Do not try to hide anything. Underwriters go through these files with a fine-tooth comb. This comes from me as a former lender. I'm a real estate broker here in Dallas-Fort Worth. I just wanted to put this out there because I'm starting to work with several international clients. So if you see this out there and you're relocating to the Texas area, especially DFW area, happy to help you, get you connect with all these folks. You want to make sure that your pre-approval is done before you go out and start looking at homes. Don't just come out and start looking at homes and not be pre-approved. And it may take longer to get your pre-approval done, especially if you have a unique situation like where you are self-employed, do not have a job in the United States yet. It's going to add a layer of complexity, and very few lenders have the ability to do that. So I hope you find this useful. I'd love to speak to you if you're relocating to Dallas-Fort Worth. Look for this on my YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Look forward to hearing from you. All my contact information will be in this video. See you soon.